Hi, welcome to Arlo Labs. I'm Bridget, and I'm going to show you how to quickly set up and mount your Arlo Pro 5S 2K spotlight camera. Before we get started, the battery does not come fully charged, so it's a good idea to fully charge the battery before installation. After you open the app, tap Add New Device, then Cameras, then Pro, and then finally Pro 5. If you happen to have an older version of the app, it may ask you to upgrade before proceeding. Go for it. You'll love it. Now, all you have to do is follow the prompts and connect to your 2.4 GHz network. Once you're connected, insert the battery with the Arlo logo facing up. Be gentle, it only fits one way. The LED light on the front of the camera will start to flash blue. Now hold your Pro 5 approximately 4 to 6 inches away from the QR code displayed in the app to sync your camera. If you hear a chime, you're good to go. Now the app will automatically find your camera. This could take a minute, so hang in there. If you don't hear the chime, go back a few screens and check that your Wi-Fi credentials are correct. Maybe your thumbs missed something. If your camera's not found, repeat these steps until you hear the chime. Once your camera is found, you'll need to give it a name. You can be creative here. It's okay. No judgments. After you tap Continue, your camera may look for firmware updates. This can take a few minutes. Feel free to pause me. I'm not going anywhere. You made it this far. Now let's install your camera. First, find a location outside with a clear vantage point and a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. You can see your signal strength here. Once you find the ideal location, install the mount using the included hardware. Attach your camera to the mount. Tighten the back of the mount to ensure a tight fit. You can adjust the angle by turning the thumb screw counterclockwise. Once you've positioned your camera to the desired angle, turn the thumb screw clockwise to lock the position in place. Position your camera to take maximum advantage of Pro 5's 160-degree viewing angle. If you purchased a magnetic mount, you can quickly and easily install, position, and remove the camera for charging. Plus, the optional longer outdoor charging cable, sold separately, offers continuous power. The outdoor charging cable might be a tad lengthy, so you can hide some of the excess cable inside the magnetic mount. The Pro 5's modular design makes it easy to change the battery without repositioning the camera afterwards. Just press the button on the bottom to release the camera from the housing. To have a fresh battery and no downtime, consider getting a backup battery and a dual charging station. Now that your camera is mounted, let's set you up with a free trial of Arlo Secure. Arlo Secure is a subscription-based service that provides cloud recording with 30-day video history, emergency response, package detection, smart activity zones, and more. Just follow the easy setup process in the app. At Arlo, privacy is everything to us. Our privacy pledge ensures that your personal data, information, and videos are in your control. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete. We hope you enjoy your new Arlo Pro 5S 2K spotlight camera. Now that your Pro 5 is up and running, if you want, stick around for a few helpful tips and tricks. If you purchased an Arlo Home Security System, you can pair your Pro 5 to it using SecureLink. You'll get even longer battery life, longer range, and image verification when power or Wi-Fi is down for faster emergency response. Low power mode is helpful if your battery gets low and you can't get around to charging it. Instead of getting full video clips, you'll get short clips, which preserves battery life. Remember when you onboarded your Pro 5 onto your 2.4 GHz network? Well, it doesn't have to stay there. You can switch it to your 5 GHz network if you prefer. Just open your app, tap the gear icon at the top right, then Wi-Fi network, and then you can go ahead and change your network to 5 GHz. Now your Pro 5 is driving down the 5 GHz highway. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to protect your everything. Bye.